The time off tab accessed from requests is where you'll be able to manage the time off requests of your employees. Each time off request shows the period for which it was made, an associated justification, and a quick access to the latest time off requests. You can approve, comment on, or decline requests. When you approve a request, the concerned employee will be alerted instantly, and the time off will appear directly in the schedule as well as in the employee's personal schedule. If you comment on or decline the request, the concerned employee will also be alerted. Before approving a given time off request, you can put it in a category, allowing you to then export reports on approved time off. Each request will be saved in Agendrix chronologically. This then allows you to view all pending, approved, declined, and cancel requests. Let's see what happens when an employee, Taylor, submits a time off request while he's already scheduled to work. In this case, I have several options. I could assign Taylor's shift to another employee. Agendrix helps me make the best decision by instantly displaying all qualified employees who are not scheduled to work during this period, while also letting me see the impact of the change on their work hours. Several sorting methods, including by seniority, can be used to display the results. I can also convert Taylor's shift into an open shift, which would allow employees who are qualified and available to apply on this shift. Here, I'll assign the shift to Sophia and approve Taylor's request. A few clicks is all it takes to alert both employees and automatically introduce the changes into the schedule. You are now ready to better manage the time off requests of your employees.